Hello internet marketers, Leon Tran here from How to Webmaster. Today I will show you how I get top video rankings for my YouTube affiliate product review videos. As you may have already know, many marketing gurus and other super affiliates out there, everybody recommends video marketing. It works, it's easy to get good rankings, and it converts better. Is it true? I will say 100% yes it is. Now the video rankings, you can get good video rankings, but is it going to convert? That's a different story. It depends on your video content, the quality, and how you push the buyers to click your link and make that sell. And I will make another video about my conversion rates in a separate video, so be sure to check that out. So here's one example of one of my videos. This is the best spinner. If you've been around the affiliate marketing world, you probably heard of the best spinner. It is a article spinning tool, and I have a video review of it right here, How to Webmaster, and it's on the first page of Google, and it's also ranked highly well at YouTube. So pretty much all the videos here will rank highly at YouTube as well. The best spinner, I have the product name, and if you type in the best spinner review, it's also at the top here, How to Webmaster. And I'll show you how I get these top video rankings. So here's another example. Spin Rewriter, also another video review I did on another article spinner tool. As you can see here, it's on the top video rankings of the first page at Google. Another example, Word AI, and this one I have two spots, How to Webmaster. So one of my video talked poorly about Word AI. It's not a good tool. Even if you review a product and it's not good, post it up and recommend something else, because a lot of times I see people reviewing products and it's always good, always good, but I hardly ever see any bad reviews. So even if you have a bad review about a certain product, post it up and you can push another product. Here's another example. It's not a product review exactly, but it's a site review, Flippa. And again, this is pretty popular. Flippa is a very popular marketplace to buy and sell websites. And I have a video talking about how there's a bunch of scams on Flippa. And of course, with my Flippa keyword, Flippa review at the top page as well. Here are some other examples. Pretty much almost every single one of my videos gets a top page ranking. So let's try this one. The checker review is a fairly new video, and here it is showing up there, the checker review. It's a email checking tool. And let's do one more example, MailWiz review, and here it is. So let's look at one of the examples, and pretty much all my videos are done in a similar fashion. If you make bad quality or spammy looking review videos, the point of the review videos is to do an actual review of the product or tools or services you're recommending or not recommending. So don't just show the product image and just talk about the features, because you want to make sure you are using the product. And how do I push the link? So usually right here as an example, I would tell my user that they can check out the product using my link below. And then I also have a little pop-up in my video, check out MailWiz, link in the description below. So I usually mention it about 2 times, in the beginning 1 time, and then at the end I will push it again, and then I will thank them for supporting me by using my link if they want to check out the product I'm reviewing, and then here's the description, and you can check out my channel and other review videos I did to see how it's done. And then I would make sure to add the link here and make sure you test it, make sure it works, add in the good things I like about it, bad things, push it again. So I include the link 2 times in my video description, and also make sure you somehow disclose that your links are affiliate links, just to comply with the policies. So that's pretty much how I do all my videos. So how do I get these top video rankings? So the first thing you gotta focus on is making the video content. Make sure it's not too spammy or salesy, and make sure you do a pretty good job reviewing, not just talking about the product but actually use it. Otherwise people is not gonna listen to you and click on your link, because if your video is not good and they just know that you're just making a pump and dump video reviews of a bunch of products and it's low quality review, they're not gonna listen to you, they're not gonna subscribe, not gonna click your link. So that's the number one thing. You need to create a pretty good quality review video, so you can judge your videos by the amount of thumbs up you get. And also, every video I make sure to share it with your own social network accounts. So they're free. You can make accounts at all of these right here, and I always share across these social networks. It's free, it's fast, it takes me 2 minutes. I've already logged into all of them, and I just click and then click on the share link. So let's do an example. Twitter, I've already logged in. I keep myself logged in, so every time I make a video, I click on that share and everything's already pre-filled thanks to YouTube. And let's do another example with Pinterest. And most of the time when you share, everything's already pre-filled, like this one for example, Pinterest. And then you just click on the share, tweet, whatever, and it's done. And then you get a quality social network backlinks, and it'll help with your video rankings. And I made another video on how to get these backlinks. Please go check that out. And another very important thing is to make sure you have the keyword that you want in your title and description. So that's pretty basic stuff there. And make sure you have the keywords as tags, and I always try to include the keywords again. So this one's backwards, review MailWiz rather than MailWiz review. So just always include your keywords somehow in your description and tags. So MailWiz review, try MailWiz, review video. So include as many keywords as you can without sounding too spammy. And I've been doing the same thing for all my review videos, and almost every single one gets first page ranking. I will post another video discussing about the conversion rates on video marketing with affiliate product reviews, so be sure to check that out. Coming up soon. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and make money online case studies. I hope this video helps. Thanks so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.